why your lawyer cannot be as emotionally invested in your medical malpractice case as you are. Hello, I'm Maryland medical malpractice attorney Marcus Boston, and I would like to talk with you today about an issue which comes up, especially if we're dealing with a medical malpractice case which led to death. Now, when an individual contacts my office about medical malpractice or wrongful death, a lot of times these are very serious injuries and they're very emotional. And because of the nature of these types of cases, a lot of times clients are very emotionally attached. But it's important that your lawyer understands the science and looks at these cases objectively. And this is why it may seem that your lawyer is not really being as emotional or is not supporting you emotionally with this. And that's because the attorney is looking at the science. The attorney is trying to find out if your medical provider fell below the standard of care in this type of situation. The lawyer is looking at the medicine. The lawyer is looking at the science. And these types of things are really apart from emotion and feelings and things of that nature. Either the doctor made a cut where he wasn't supposed to, or he made the right cut. Either the doctor repaired the organ like he or she was supposed to, or they did not. Either the doctor saw the infection and tried to treat it, or he did not. These things are very straightforward in their analysis. So that's why it may seem that your lawyer is just not as wrapped up in the emotional aspect of things as you would like he or she to be. So why am I explaining this to you today? Because I would like to give you a better understanding of the process. I would like you to understand why your attorney is focusing on the facts and the medicine of the case, and why your attorney is not getting tied down in the emotional aspect of things. If you would like to speak with me further about whether you have been the victim of medical malpractice here in Maryland, this is what I invite you to do. Pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or you can send me an email initially to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. We answer questions like yours all the time regarding Maryland medical malpractice law, and we will be glad to hear your story. If you're watching this video right now on YouTube and you like what you just heard, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The reason why I say subscribing is important is because if you're doing your research and you're trying to find other information on these types of topics, you will find that we are constantly uploading helpful information to our YouTube page, and you can use this to get a better understanding of your situation. Boston Law Group LLC is a Maryland medical malpractice law firm representing those who have been the victim of medical malpractice throughout the state of Maryland and providing helpful educational information and videos to the public. It's what we do, guys. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at BLG, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.